Today we're going to be looking at the November 2018 Bomibag. I have switched my subscription from Bomibag to Bomibox, but I did it a little late in the month, so this will be my last Bomibag November, and in December I should be opening the December Bomibox. I say December, but that's pretty generous. It'll probably be early in January. Anyways, let's check it out. Comes in a mailer. This bag was pristine the first 2 times I filmed it, but my hound dogs got into something and made a huge ruckus. So it's a little bit beat up because I have to keep putting it back in the bag, but I love these things. I will miss them when I don't get them anymore. But let's be honest, I saved all the ones I got, so I will still have them. Alright, let's put it aside. Okay. Rovectin, a little bit of smudge there. Rovectin Skin Essentials Barrier Repair Cream Concentrate. If you've seen this before, and I have done at least 2 previous Bomibag reviews, the only thing I really don't like about Bomibag is they don't include an insert. So I'm going to go through this and then kind of look it up on my phone, which I hate. I'm sorry, Bomibag. I really like you guys, but please put an insert in here. Come on. Snail Bee High Content Steam Cream by Benton. I recognize that. Who makes this? I don't know. We will have to look it up. I will say, and getting boxes and tons of Korean beauty boxes since April, I have never gotten a sunblock. Sunblock, Nature Republic Sunblock 50 SPF, California Aloe. I'm really excited about that. Hamish All Clean Balm. This is good stuff. I like it. First step in your double cleansing. Starts off as a solid and you massage it into your face and it turns into oil, and then when you add the water it turns into like this milky stuff. Higgy All-in-One Tightening and Firming Mask. It looks like it goes a little bit farther around your neck than normal. Oh, it goes on your neck. Cool. It's pretty cool. They really like this brand at Bomibox. Pyeongkangyul Acne, facial cleanser, toner, cream, and spa cream. It's pretty cool. And the instructions in the back are in English as well. So let's just quickly pull up my phone and look at what's in it. Alright. The Nature Republic California Aloe Daily Sunblock. The Rovectin. Oh, the Rovectin is the brand. Skin Essentials Barrier Repair Cream Concentrate Mini. The Benton Snail Bee High Content Cream Mini. The Higgy All-in-One Tightening and Firming Mask. The Hamish All Clean Balm. And the Pyeongkangyul Acne Sample Pouch. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about all of these items. So I will say that despite not having an insert and not being a Bomibox like I thought it was, and that was my fault, not their fault, I love this bag. This was a very good bag in my opinion. I feel like I more than got my money's worth. These bags are $19.99 a month, and I feel like I got more than my money's worth. But it will be my last Bomibag because I've upgraded to Bomibox, and so we'll be checking that out in December. At any rate, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next month. Thanks for watching. Bye!